Hello and Nyob Zoo to all of you. In today's video, I wanted to show you another one of my dad's all-time favorite stir fry to make, and this is beef stir fried with a lot of herbs. I don't really know how I would name this dish because my dad would be someone who would kind of just throw this and that into a stir fry and call it good. And this stir fry was one that I grew up eating, and it was super delicious, and I still love it till this day. I forgot how good it was, and I wanted to share with all of you so that you can make it yourself as well. So with that, let's go straight into it, and I will show you how to make it because it's quite easy. Let's go. So for this stir fry, my dad usually uses any part of the beef that has pretty good fat to meat ratio. I found a really good piece of beef chuck at my local grocery store, so I decided to buy it and utilize it for this dish. And it's best to cut the beef pretty thin like this. It'll cook a lot faster and also be a lot easier to eat. My dad loves to add quite a lot of different herbs and aromatics to this, so here I have some finely minced lime leaves, some chili peppers, lots of green onions, and lots of cilantro. I have here some pretty thinly sliced lemongrass. I kept it pretty big like this, but just make sure you thinly slice it. It'll be a lot easier to eat. And then he loves to add quite a lot of minced garlic. So let's go ahead and stir fry it in a pan. Here I have some oil heating up on medium-high heat, and then I'm going to add in the minced garlic and lemongrass. I'm going to saute this for about roughly 3 to 4 minutes, or until the garlic and lemongrass has some color to it. Something like this. At this point, I'm going to add in the thinly sliced beef and bump up the heat to high. I'm going to season this with some salt and chicken bouillon powder, and then I'm going to continue cooking this on high until the beef is halfway through cooking. At this point, I'm going to season it with about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then give this a really good stir and allow this to cook just until the beef is slightly almost cooked. So most of the pink has faded. At this point, I'm going to add in all of the herbs. Give this a really good stir for about 15 seconds and then immediately turn off the heat. Try not to overcook the beef. And I highly recommend cooking this on high heat so that your stir fry doesn't get so watery. And the stir fry is pretty much done. And it should look something like this. Go ahead and give this a taste and adjust the seasonings if you like. Other than that, we are ready to plate. So this stir fry is quite simple to make but full of aromatics and very herbaceous. I do like to enjoy this while it's still fresh and hot, and it's amazing over some fresh steamed rice. And that's it for my dad's beef stir fry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this recipe a try. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.